Hey everybody, Justin Sturgill here with Skinny Guy Campers. Welcome to Feature Friday, where we walk you around all the great features of our Skinny Guy camper. Hey, this week on our Feature Friday, we're going to show you this, our kitchen module in our 6.5 foot Skinny Guy camper. So when you first step into the Skinny Guy, you're going to see the kitchen module there on that's set down onto the floor for storage. Normally our refrigerator is going to sit right next to it, but we've got that removed out of the way for the time being, just so we can talk about our kitchen module today. Okay, so we're inside of our Skinny Guy, and you can see on the floor behind me is our kitchen module. So essentially, when you get inside your Skinny Guy, what you're going to want to do is move the refrigerator, which we've removed for this particular video, and your kitchen module. Your kitchen module is going to set up on the corner on the inside here, and then you have some connections you got to make. So inside the kitchen module, you can see we have handles on both sides. You put your hands on them, just pick it up, and gently slide it into place. After you set your kitchen module up, you'll find a set screw that needs to be unscrewed. It's a little knob that's actually installed in with a riv nut. You gotta unscrew that. And there should be a hole in the back here. There's another riv nut inside the cabinet, and you're gonna put that in place and tighten it down. What this is gonna do is that's gonna prevent the kitchen module from flipping off of there in case someone were to lean on it or bump up against it. You'll see that there's an opening in the kitchen module that allows all the plumbing and electrical ports to come through. So these are all CPC connections that are quick disconnect. So you see you have a cold, a hot, and then you're going to have a drain for the sink all the way in the back. Then right here in the front, we have the connection for the gas. When the valve is this direction at a 90 with the quick connect, that means that the gas is turned off. And in the very back, we have a connection for the Truma Combi. This is important because if you do not have this connected, the Truma will actually throw an error. This connection's made so that way the Truma can't be turned on when the Skinny Guy camper is folded down. Connections, we're going to start in the back with our drain. Just plugs in. And then our hot water. And our cold water. Then in the back, we have our electrical plug-in for the Truma. Then of course our gas. And then it's connected. Then you can turn your valve the other direction to let the gas flow. And that's it. One of the things you have to do to make sure that the kitchen module sink drains is you must make sure that the cap is off. This is located on the opposite side of the door in the front corner. Once the cap is off, this will allow the sink to drain. Now you can do this by attaching a hose and letting it drain out and away from camp. After you've connected all of the connections and you've opened your sink drain, one of the other things you're going to want to do is make sure that your propane is in the on position. You can accomplish that by just turning it to open, indicated here on the propane tank. Okay, back inside the Skinny Guy, you lift the lid on our kitchen module. You just fold up your sink. We have a single burner stove and our sink basin and our faucet. Just turn the handle on the faucet, get water. To operate the stove, you just turn it and hold and hit the igniter. It turns it on. Hey, thanks for watching this week's Feature Friday. We appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section and we'll get to you as quick as we can. Check out our website at www.skinnyguycampers.com and please check out all of our other social media outlets. Till next week.